Migraine relief without pills. 10 natural remedies for migraine headache. Tired of the debilitating throbbing head pain, the visual disturbances, and the overwhelming nausea that accompany a migraine attack, disrupting your entire day and leaving you desperate for relief? Did you know that while conventional treatments often involve medication, there are several powerful natural remedies you can explore to find significant migraine relief and potentially reduce the frequency and intensity of these debilitating headaches? Before we delve into 10 evidence-backed natural remedies to try for effective migraine relief, it's crucial to understand that this video provides general information and should never be considered a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or personalized treatment from a qualified healthcare provider. If you experience frequent or severe migraines, it is essential to consult with a doctor to identify your specific triggers, rule out any underlying medical conditions, and develop a comprehensive management plan tailored to your individual needs. The science-backed resources supporting these natural remedies for migraine relief can be found in the description below. Welcome to our daily health. Let's briefly understand the complex neurological condition known as migraine. Unlike a typical tension headache, a migraine is characterized by intense, often throbbing or pulsating pain, typically localized to one side of the head. However, the experience of a migraine extends far beyond just head pain, often accompanied by a constellation of other debilitating symptoms, such as nausea, vomiting, extreme sensitivity to light, photophobia, heightened sensitivity to sound, phonophobia, and sometimes even visual disturbances, known as aura. This video aims to empower you with 10 accessible and natural strategies that you can incorporate into your routine to potentially find significant migraine relief and reduce the disruptive impact of these severe headaches on your life. Here are 10 natural remedies to try for effective migraine relief without pills. Number 1. The foundational power of hydration. Dehydration is a well-established and often underestimated trigger for both general headaches and the more severe pain of a migraine attack. When your body lacks sufficient fluids, it can lead to a decrease in blood volume, which in turn can reduce oxygen flow to the brain, potentially triggering a headache. In the context of migraines, even mild dehydration can exacerbate existing pain and prolong the duration of an attack. Ensuring you maintain optimal hydration levels by consistently drinking plenty of water throughout the day is a simple yet profoundly important step for overall headache relief and can play a crucial role in lessening the intensity and duration of a migraine attack. Make a conscious effort to carry a water bottle with you and sip regularly, especially during and after physical activity or in hot weather conditions, and be mindful of your body's signals for thirst. Consider incorporating electrolyte-rich beverages in moderation, particularly after intense sweating, to help maintain proper fluid balance and potentially prevent dehydration-induced headaches and migraines. Number 2. Creating a sanctuary. Rest in a dark, quiet room. One of the hallmark symptoms that distinguishes a migraine from a common headache is an often debilitating sensitivity to sensory input, particularly bright lights, photophobia, and loud sounds, phonophobia. During a migraine attack, these external stimuli can intensely aggravate the already severe head pain, making it feel almost unbearable. Finding a dark and quiet room to lie down in becomes an essential strategy for significant migraine relief. By minimizing these sensory inputs, you allow your overstimulated nervous system to begin to calm down and regulate itself, which can directly contribute to easing the throbbing and pulsing sensations associated with the headache. Try to lie still, close your eyes to block out any light, and focus on slow, deep, and rhythmic breathing to further promote relaxation and enhance the potential for natural migraine relief. Number 3. The cooling comfort. Applying a cold compress or ice pack. Applying a cold compress or an ice pack directly to your forehead, temples, or the back of your neck can be a remarkably effective natural remedy for providing headache relief during a migraine attack. The cold temperature helps to constrict the blood vessels in the affected areas, which are often dilated during a migraine, contributing to the throbbing pain. Additionally, the cold can have a localized numbing effect on the nerves, further soothing the intense pain signals being transmitted. To avoid any potential skin irritation or frostbite, always wrap the cold compress or ice pack in a thin cloth or towel before applying it directly to your skin, and limit each application to a duration of around 15 to 20 minutes, taking breaks in between if needed. Found this video valuable? Like and subscribe for more health tips. Drop your comments or questions below. We're eager to hear from you. Please share this video to help others. Number 4. The soothing embrace of warmth. Trying a warm compress or heating pad for tension headaches and sometimes migraines. While cold therapy is often the go-to for migraines, applying a warm compress or a heating pad to your neck, shoulders, even the back of the head can be beneficial, particularly if muscle tension in these areas is contributing to your headache or co-occurring with your migraine. The gentle warmth helps to relax tight and contracted muscles, which can often exacerbate headache pain by putting pressure on nerves and blood vessels. Increasing blood flow to these tense areas can further alleviate muscle stiffness and reduce the pain signals being sent to the brain, providing a different type of headache relief. Experiment to see if warmth provides any comfort during your migraine, especially if you notice accompanying neck or shoulder tension. Number 5. The power of ginger. A natural remedy for nausea and headache. Ginger, a widely recognized natural remedy, possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antiemetic properties that can be particularly beneficial for providing migraine relief, especially when nausea is a prominent and debilitating symptom accompanying your headache. You can try sipping on warm ginger tea, made from freshly grated ginger root, chewing on a small piece of peeled fresh ginger, or taking a natural ginger capsule or supplement, to help ease both the throbbing headache pain and the associated feelings of nausea and vomiting. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerols, are believed to help block the synthesis of prostaglandins, which are hormone-like substances that contribute to pain and inflammation pathways in the body, potentially offering a natural way to reduce migraine severity. Number 6. The aromatic relief of peppermint oil. The refreshing and invigorating aroma of peppermint essential oil has been shown to have a soothing and analgesic, pain-relieving effect that may help provide significant headache relief, particularly for tension-type headaches, but also potentially for migraines in some individuals. To use peppermint oil, dilute a few drops of pure peppermint essential oil with a carrier oil, such as jojoba oil, almond oil, or coconut oil, and gently massage the diluted mixture onto your temples, forehead, and the back of your neck, being careful to avoid the sensitive eye area. The cooling sensation produced by the menthol, a primary component of peppermint oil, can help to relax tense muscles, improve blood flow, and may directly ease the throbbing migraine pain in susceptible individuals. Number 7. The calming embrace of lavender oil. Lavender essential oil is widely celebrated for its calming, relaxing, and anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing properties, which can be particularly beneficial for providing headache relief, especially when stress, anxiety, or tension are known triggers for your migraines. You can experience the benefits of lavender oil by inhaling its soothing aroma directly from the bottle, diffusing it in your living space using an aromatherapy diffuser, or by diluting a few drops with a carrier oil for gentle topical application to your temples, forehead, and the back of your neck. Some scientific research suggests that inhaling lavender essential oil during a migraine attack may help to significantly reduce the severity of the headache pain after a relatively short period of time, likely due to its calming effects on the nervous system. Number 8. Nourishing with magnesium-rich foods for headache prevention and relief. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, including nerve transmission, muscle relaxation, and blood sugar control, and deficiencies in this crucial mineral have been consistently linked to an increased susceptibility to both general headaches and the more severe and debilitating migraines. Incorporating a wide variety of magnesium-rich foods into your daily diet can be a proactive and natural way to support overall headache relief and potentially reduce the frequency and severity of future migraine attacks. Excellent natural sources of magnesium include dark leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and kale, various nuts and seeds, like almonds and pumpkin seeds, and whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa. While dietary intake is important, some individuals may also benefit from magnesium supplementation, particularly forms like magnesium citrate or magnesium oxide for migraine prevention, but it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it is safe for you. Number 9. Gentle movement and stretching for releasing headache tension. Engaging in gentle stretching exercises and incorporating light, low-impact movement into your routine, particularly focusing on the muscles of the neck, shoulders, and upper back, can be a helpful natural strategy for releasing muscle tension that may be contributing to the onset or worsening of headaches, including migraines. While strenuous physical activity should generally be avoided during an active migraine attack, gentle and controlled movements can sometimes provide noticeable headache relief for tension-related pain by improving blood circulation to the affected areas and reducing muscle stiffness and tightness. Simple exercises such as slow neck rolls, gentle shoulder shrugs, and controlled upper back stretches can help to alleviate built-up tension in these muscle groups, which are often implicated in triggering or exacerbating headaches. Number 10. The cautious use of caffeine. Caffeine is a complex substance when it comes to headaches. While caffeine withdrawal is a well-known trigger for headaches in some individuals who regularly consume it, a small to moderate amount of caffeine, such as that found in a cup of black tea or coffee, can sometimes provide temporary headache relief, particularly in the early stages of a migraine or a tension headache. Caffeine has vasoconstrictive properties, meaning it can help to narrow the blood vessels in the brain, which may contribute to alleviating headache pain caused by blood vessel dilation. However, it is absolutely crucial to maintain moderation with caffeine intake, as consistent high consumption can unfortunately lead to rebound headaches, where the headache returns once the effects of the caffeine wear off, potentially creating a problematic cycle of dependence. Pay attention to your individual response to caffeine and use it judiciously as a potential natural aid for headache relief.